This is Burke Lake Golf Center, Fairfax Station. Facility was built in '69, opened in 1970. So we're operating out of our original clubhouse and driving range golf course. It's an 18-hole par 3 facility. We're at the beginning stages of a redevelopment for the driving range. The golf course will be open during the entire construction process. It's just the driving range that's closing October 3rd. We'll open back April of next year. The driving range as it is now is open pretty much weather dependent. Rain, snow, and ice, we have to close for days or weeks at a time. We have to also cancel lessons during inclement weather. So opening the new range, be double-decker, downstairs will be heated stalls, will be open year-round. Better lighting, we'll open a little bit later in the evenings. We'll never have to close or cancel our lessons for inclement weather. We'll also have new clubhouse that's coming online about this time next year. We'll have expanded food service, new practice areas outside the clubhouse. Phase 1 of the project started a couple weeks ago to expand the parking lot area, adding approximately 25 to 30 parking spots. That is being done now in preparation for the construction of the driving range and clubhouse. So we'll have the same amount of parking we have now during the process. For more information on the redevelopment of Burke Lake Golf Center, patrons can go to our website, Burke Lake Golf Center. You'll see a tab, you can click on that and you'll see PDFs or conceptual drawings of the new driving range and clubhouse slated to open next year.